Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView and welcome to episode number 202 of Trading Talk. In this episode entitled How Good is a Bad Entry, we take a working model and give it some of the worst possible trade entries you could think of. We test the results with the normal entry conditions and then with the bad entry conditions, and you'll really be amazed, but maybe not how you expect, at the difference a bad entry can make. This episode was inspired by some of the conversations we've been having with our conference speakers this year, as we've been building the models that they're going to be presenting. Now, believe me when I say you do not want to miss out on what's in store for you at this year's Algo Trading Conference, as Perry Kaufman, Trevor Neil and Stefano Serafini will be showing you in detail the models that they trade. You'll even get to take home their models at the end of the day. Now, if you'd like to watch this episode, number 202, in full and you don't already have access, just purchase the series by clicking the Learn More button at the top left of this page or in the YouTube description if you're watching this video on YouTube. To get updated first when a new episode has been released, subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you click on the bell icon to receive notifications. I really hope you enjoy episode number 202 of Trading Talk, and until next week, all the best with your trading.